Hello, it's HardReset, and today I'm gonna show you how to zone clean with a Philips HomeRun 7000. Go onto your Philips HomeRun application and click on your vacuum cleaner. Now click on Custom Clean and choose Zone Clean. Now select a zone you wanna cleaned. And you can here change its length and height. Now click Next. Here you can edit cleaning plan and cleaning preferences along with advanced settings, and save. Now
start cleaning.
Yeah. No.
Please wait.
You're on my desk, so no.
Remember to refill the water tank.
Yeah, that's it.
Cleaning paused.
That's it. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.